Good day, I'm Colonel Dave Moore, 4-Wing Commander, and I'm here with Acting Wing Chief Warrant Officer Frank Dwyer. We'd like to take a moment to introduce you to the Wing Commander's Wellness Challenge for 2020. For the last 11 years, these challenges were issued at the end of our Wing Commander's Wellness Walk in support of CAF physical fitness strategy. This year, due to these unusual circumstances, we're very excited to kick off the challenge virtually. Hopefully, as we spend more time with our families, it gives us quality time to plan and prepare nutritious meals that can be shared together. In support of the new CAF physical performance strategy, this year's event is a nutritious challenge.
We would like to invite all of the defense team members to join in on the Wing Foodie challenge that will be starting June 1 and will run for 12 weeks. Here's how you can join.
Step 1. To join in the 4-Wing Foodie challenge, look for the event on the 4-Wing Connection Facebook page and click Going so you can register with the link and be entered to win prizes.
Step 2. Every Monday morning, the weekly foodie recipes will be posted for you to try out. You have a choice each week of a simple to prepare meal or a kid-friendly snack, or you can do both.
Step 3. Each week, prepare the meal and or snack, and before you eat it, remember to take a foodie selfie.
Step 4. Once you have enjoyed your meal, remember to post your picture on the Foodie Challenge Facebook event page and rate your plate out of 5 stars.
Step 5. Repeat the foodie challenge each week with the new recipes added to the event page every Monday morning. Each time you post your fabulous creation and rate your plate, your name will be added to the weekly draws. The winners of the weekly draws will be announced on Monday morning, one for the meal and one for the kid-friendly snack.
We invite you to join us starting June 1 for the 12-week 4-Wing Foodie Challenge. In addition to the weekly draws, everyone who participated with at least one submission will have their name placed into the draw for the grand prizes.
The more times you submit, the greater chance you have to win. There will be one grand prize for the meal submissions and one kid-friendly prize for the snack submissions. Get ready for the 4-Wing Foodie Challenge.